Now, we do have some special cases in this section. So for this one, we're trying to write the equation of the line that passes through 5, -4, and 2, -4. So let's start it just like we started any other problem. We're going to first calculate the slope. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Again, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, you should already kind of be noticing that these are the same numbers, so something weird is going to happen. Let's try it. When we plug these in, we have -4 minus -4, so it becomes +4. And on the bottom, we get 2 minus 5. So this actually ends up being 0 divided by -3. And again, we always want to simplify our slopes. 0 divided by anything would be 0. So what does a 0 slope look like? So this is where it's important to know what a 0 slope is. If we drew a 0 slope, it should be horizontal. And we could try that by plotting our points. We have 5, -4. Not very to scale, but that point would be right here. And then 2, -4 would be right here. So clearly the line that goes between those 2 points is horizontal. But you don't want to have to draw that every single time. You want to know a 0 slope is a horizontal line. Now, how do we write a horizontal line? How do we write the equation of a horizontal line? A horizontal line is always going to be y equals a number. So what number goes there? Y equals what number? Well, look at your 2 points. What does y equal in both of those points? Y equals -4. And that's it. That's your final answer. Now, for this one, you could actually plug in 0 for a slope. You could go through the whole thing. Y plus 4 equals 0 times x minus 5. 0 times anything is just 0. And we get y equals -4. But that's just a lot of extra work, and you can't do that for the next one. So it's really good that you know if you have a 0 slope, it's a horizontal line, and a horizontal line is y equals a number. Now, for the opposite case, we have write the equation of the line that passes through 3, 6 and 3, -2. So you probably know what's going to happen here. They both have the same x value, but let's go through it. We have m equals -2 minus 6 divided by 3 minus 3. And we get -8 over 0. This cannot happen. You cannot divide by 0, so we get an undefined slope. So an undefined slope, if we drew it on a graph, an undefined slope would be vertical. So how do we write the equation of a vertical line? It's just the opposite. A vertical line is x equals a number, but what number does it equal? It equals whatever x was in both of the points. So x equals 3.